Need help installing your Copper Mountain hardware doorknob set? This video is here to help. Your doorknob set includes 2 doorknobs, 2 rosette plates, 1 spindle, 1 latch, 1 faceplate, and 1 strike plate, plus the screws needed. For privacy sets, you'll have a 2-piece spindle that twists together, along with a privacy pin. Passage sets come with a single-piece spindle. Start with the latch, also called a back set. First, turn the latch's tongue so the curved side faces the door frame. If it's facing the wrong way, your door won't close properly. For privacy sets, make sure the small threaded square on the latch faces the inside of the door. Insert the latch into the crossbar hole and secure the faceplate with the provided wood screws. Now, insert the spindle. For passage sets, insert the spindle in either direction. For privacy sets, leave a nickel width space between the spindle halves and insert it so the T-bars are on the inside of the door. Next, place the rosette plates over the spindle on each side. For privacy sets, make sure the privacy pin hole lines up with the latch's threaded square. Secure the rosette plates with the screws. For privacy sets, insert the privacy pin into the hole and twist it into the latch's threaded square. If your doorknob has set screws in the base, remove them before twisting the knobs onto the spindle. If the set screws were packaged separately, locate them now. Twist the knobs onto the spindle, but don't over-tighten, as this may prevent the knobs from turning smoothly. We recommend using a thread locker, like Right Lock, to keep the set screws from loosening. Ensure that one of the set screws is aligned in either the north or south position on the base of the knob for optimal stability and performance. Then retighten the set screws to secure the knob. And that's all there is to it. Your new doorknob set is installed. Thanks for choosing Copper Mountain Hardware brand doorknob sets. We're proud to be a part of your home.